When we're talking about how dangerous a snake is to people, we do of course have to talk about toxicity. How potent is their venom? What's their stopping power like? And this guy here, the eastern brown snake, is the second most venomous snake on the planet today, the leading cause of snakebite and snakebite death in Australia. But there's a lot of snakes significantly less venomous than him that kill many, many times more people around the world. So toxicity actually plays less of a role than you might think, because while this guy might be able to kill me 100 times over, I can only be killed once. So at the end of the day, a snake either has to be venomous enough to kill you or not venomous enough to kill you. After that, the rest is bonus points. You're comparing getting run over by a Mack truck versus a Kenworth. So yes, toxicity plays a role, but there's a lot of snakes capable of killing a human being who are a long way behind him. So the other factors all add up to maybe be even more important than how venomous a snake is when we're talking about how dangerous they are.